Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Easy Math. Today we are going to learn the uses of some of the algebraic identities. So to begin with, let's first understand what is an identity. So an identity is an equation which is true for every value of the variable which is present in that equation. In this video, we are going to learn about three of the algebraic identities, and these are a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. The next one is a minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third is a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. So let's answer an important question. Why do we need these identities? Is it of any use to us? So the answer is yes. These identities help us in saving our time and energy in our calculation and hence make our learning easier and interesting. So get ready with a pen and paper and follow the steps which are given in this video. So let's start. The first example is 103 square. Now if you look at it carefully, 103, the nearest multiple of 100 to 103 is 100 itself. So here we represent 103 in the form of a plus b. So it will be written as 100 plus 3. Then we use this identity a plus b the whole square, taking a as 100 and b as 3. Now 100 square is 10,000. 2 into 100 into 3 will be 600 and 3 square is 9. So on solving, we get 103 square as 10609. Look at the second example, which is 2007 the square. Now we search for a multiple of 1000 which is nearest to 2007. That number is 2000. So 2007, if you write in the form of a plus b, we will write it as 2000 plus 7. Now why do we search for a multiple of 10, 100 and 1000? Because while squaring or while multiplying, it makes your calculation easy. So we use the identity a plus b the whole square and use a as 2000, b as 7. So on adding these three numbers, we'll get the answer as 40,28,049. Now let's see the next type of equation. The identity that we are going to consider is a minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Our example is 98 square. So in the same manner, we will search for a multiple of 100 which is nearest to 98. So that number is 100 itself. So 98 will be written as 100 minus 2, as we are using a minus b the whole square. And as I already told you, why are you looking for a multiple of 100? As it makes your calculation faster and easier. So on applying this identity, we will get the value as 9604. First we have done addition of 10,000 minus 400 and then we add 4 to it. Now on the similar line we have 1999. So searching for the nearest multiple of 1000, that number will be 2000 again. So it will be written as 2000 minus 1, taking a as 2000 and b as 1 and applying the identity a minus b the whole square as a square minus 2ab plus b square. We will calculate the squares and 2ab and then first we subtract and then add 1 to the answer. So we get the answer 3,996,001. That is 39,96,001. Now let's understand the third identity a square minus b square with the example of 98 into 102. Now what we have to look for here is a number which is at equal distance from 98 as well as 102. So that number is 100. 100 plus 2 is 102 and 100 minus 2 is 98. So we can express the given question in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So here a will be taken by 100 and b will be taken by the number 2. So we get a plus b into a minus b as a square minus b square. So on squaring we'll get 100 square as 10,000 and 2 square as 4, and then we subtract these two squares and we get the final answer as 9,996. In the similar line we will solve this next one, which is 5.3 into 4.7. Now here the number 5 is at equal distance from both of these numbers. So we can write 5.3 as 5 plus 0.3 and 4.7 as 5 minus 0.3. So it will take the form a plus b into a minus b. So similar to the previous example, we will use the identity a square minus b square. So on squaring 5 and 0.3, we get 25 minus 0.09, that is 24.91. Now let's understand some special cases with the help of these two examples. The first number is 75 square and the second is 5.5 square. So let's take the first one, 75 square. Now will you use the identity a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square? Now analyze the number 75. It is at equal distance from 70 as well as 80. So we can write it as 70 plus 5 or 80 minus 5. So what happens in this case is whether you use the identity a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square, it won't make much difference to your calculation. So you can use either of this identity. It's up to you what you are more comfortable with, whether you like to add all the three numbers or you want to add and subtract. So you may write 75 square as 70 plus 5 the whole square or 80 minus 5 the whole square. In the same line we can have 5.5 as 5 plus 0.5 or 6 minus 0.5. So it's time for self-evaluation. You may take a pen and paper and note down these following questions. So you will see a mixture of these three identities. What is your task is to identify the correct identity which is most suitable to that situation and then find the square or the product as is the case. So you may pause this video here, solve and then check your answer. Time to check the answer. So let's see what is the answer and which was the most suitable identity for that case. The first one was 305 square. So it will be written as 300 plus 5 the whole square. The next example was 9.7 square. So it will be written as 10 minus 0.3 the whole square. The next example was 56 into 64. That will be 60 minus 4 into 60 plus 4. So that is a square minus b square. The next one in the same way will be 3000 minus 3 and into 3000 plus 3. The next one, the fifth one, 6.5 the whole square, can be done in two possible ways. That is 6 plus 0.5 the whole square or 7 minus 0.5 the whole square. In both the cases, we get the same answer, 42.25. I hope this video will help you to understand which identity is to be used in which situation. Please give a thumbs up to my video and subscribe to my channel Easy Math by RN. Thanks for watching the video and always keep learning.